Hello Internet. As you can see, my video this time is a little bit different. I'm driving a car and behind me is a big trailer. I'm driving through a beautiful central Finland landscape and it's a spring weather here in Finland. All the roads are clear of ice and snow, and otherwise snow is melting rapidly. Today, this morning when I left from my home, it was -5 degrees, but the weather forecast says that it's +9 degrees this afternoon, and tomorrow even warmer. So I'm heading towards Kaustinen, which is a small town in central Finland, roughly 200 kilometers away from my home. There's a Ural dealer. So now you heard it. I have bought a Ural myself, a Ural sidecar motorcycle. As you remember, I made a video earlier this year, and it was about Motorcycle X. On that time I didn't want to reveal the brand of the motorcycle I bought myself. You can look more information about the Ural motorcycle from the internet, but I have to say that at the beginning of 2022 these all Russian-made things are a little bit controversial. But a Ural company is an American-owned company, and the factory is just in Russia, in Irpin. And because of this current situation in the world, the production has been halted on the factory, and they are not assembling any more Urals. But maybe after some time they can continue there. I hope so. All Ural motorcycles comes from the factory in a big cardboard box in order to save the volume when they deliver the bikes to dealers. And we need to take the bike out of the box and assemble the bike. So today is going to be exciting day. And after a few hours I will get the bike to my trailer, and hopefully I'm heading back home this afternoon with the new bike.
Jarvet on vähän oudossa kulmassa, on pehtailiviin, että on vähän muut, niin näin. Sitten täältä niinku... No, ei näyttää, mä sanon tiettyä. Kyllä mahtuu, kyllä. Ota, mulla on jarrukaan nyt. Mahtuuko sieltä? Nyt mä käännän tänne. Mahtuu ihan hyvin. Ja nyt on näistä tuosta yli. Joo, se ei saa hyvin. Aina se on mulle kyytiin tullut. Se on siellä. Täällä on nyrkiverta tilaa.
Joo, mä pikkasen voi ottaa tänne päin.
Joo, ota vaan. Ja ei tarvitse ottaa yhtään. Saat. No erittäin hyvin. Erittäin hyvin. Tää on puolen nyrkki vapaa. Melkein 10 senttiä vapaa. Joo, voin tää sun paljon ottaa se näin. Siihen niin sen jälkeen.
Hello again. Well, I'm finally here in my garage. After pushing the Ural to the trailer, I drove back 2 hours and unloaded it. What a day! I believe it's one of those to remember. And not many bikes are received from the dealer like this one. I could do assembly of the bike myself, with an experienced person. I got good info about the bike and now it's straightforward to start to live with this. I know where to start with the necessary tuning. It means that this bike rides differently. Specific issues affect how well this behaves and how easy it is to ride. The sidecar affects a lot, but I know that the bike can be adjusted to be as easy as normal two-wheeled bike. But riding will be different. No leaning and right turn must be mastered well. So it is the same as starting with the motorcycles. I have to be a beginner again. We'll see. This bike and rides and travels with it are certainly my second centerpiece for future channel videos. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for the notification. MYMOTOLIFE over and out.